Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be hopefully inspiring you with some Father's Day hair bows. I'm making a few different ones because I've got so much glitter and canvas fabric now. Everything you see here on this table comes from Nicola's craft shop. I will link the store in the description below. The printed canvas, the loops, these are actually pre-cut loops, so all I need to do with these is back them. You don't have to back them, but if I just make a loop with that, as you can see, it does hold shape, but as soon as this gets pinched, possibly when opening the clip or something like that, this can get easily creased and then it will stay flat and it doesn't look very good. So I do like to back mine with felt, as I have this one. So if I make a loop with it, and then it is pinched, it is less likely to crease and it just holds a nicer shape. So the only thing here I didn't get from Nicola's craft shop is this self-adhesive backed felt. You can buy a plain felt and the self-adhesive sheet separately. I will link a few different options in the description below. I don't recommend buying plain felt and hot glue in it because hot glue is quite thick, and when it comes to sticking it on the back, you will find it won't look so smooth as this one does. So I do recommend using either a self-adhesive backing or even an iron-on backing. Like I said, I'll pop some options in the description below for you. So I'm going to be using this to back my loops. As you can see, I've already drawn around my loops ready to stick on the back. This is an example of one cut out. I just peel off this backing to reveal the sticky back to stick onto the back of my loops. I will also be using some of my own templates. Again, I will link them in the description below, whichever ones I use, to use on this canvas fabric, and also some of my own existing tail templates I will use to go with these loops. So as I said, everything will be linked in the description below. So let's get on with making, and hopefully I'll give you some inspiration. And there you have your finished 3 different styles of Father's Day hair bows. As you can see, it is really good to mix and match your templates. The beauty bow from Glitter Glitter on the Wall surrounds the dotty bow from Pixie.Craft Supplies really well because the loops are slightly wider. The larger loops of the dotty bow are really big, which gives another different look, but I wanted sort of this triple layer look, and I just thought that this surrounded it beautifully. So that is why I mixed and matched the beauty bow with the dotty bow. And the other 2 I made purely with just the beauty bow. By cutting the tails you can get a different look, and also by cutting the top loops you can get a different look. As I said, I will link everything that I've used in the description below this video, so you can check those out. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you press the bell button, that will turn on notifications. I'll see you again soon. Bye!